Welcome back to the channel, everyone. From smart tools that save you time to simple gadgets that solve everyday kitchen problems. Today we're diving into some useful Amazon kitchen gadgets you didn't know existed. As usual, the links for the items are in the description down below. Let's get started. Maximize entertainment in compact spaces with this 15.6-inch flip-down TV designed for kitchens, RVs, and yachts. Featuring a 90-degree rotation for adjustable viewing angles, it tucks away neatly when not in use. The digital noise reduction ensures crisp picture quality, while the integrated storage design keeps it sleek and unobtrusive. Whether you're catching up on shows while cooking or adding convenience to your travel setup, this space-saving TV enhances your experience without taking up valuable counter space. A well-crafted charcuterie board adds a touch of elegance to any gathering, and this bamboo cheese board set is designed to impress. It features a spacious surface for arranging meats, cheeses, fruits, and crackers, making it a great choice for entertaining guests. The built-in compartments help keep everything neatly organized, while the durable bamboo construction ensures long-lasting use. Ideal for housewarming parties, weddings, or special occasions, this set brings both functionality and style to the table. Making homemade dumplings can be a time-consuming process, but this electric dumpling maker simplifies the task with its rapid forming mold. Designed for ease of use, it allows for quick and consistent dumpling shaping, helping to create perfectly sealed dumplings in no time. With adjustable settings, it is versatile enough for different types of pastry making it a useful tool for anyone who enjoys cooking at home. Whether preparing dumplings for a family dinner or experimenting with new recipes, this kitchen gadget helps streamline the process. For those who love to cook but want extra safety in the kitchen, these stainless steel finger guards provide reliable protection while cutting, slicing, and chopping. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, they are designed to fit comfortably over the fingers, reducing the risk of accidental cuts. The sleek design allows for precision without interfering with knife control, making them a practical tool for both beginner and experienced chefs. Packaged in a gift box, they also make a thoughtful present for cooking enthusiasts. Combining practicality with a fun design, this rotatable colander and bowl set makes washing and draining fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients effortless. The built-in strainer allows for easy rinsing while preventing spills, and the rotating mechanism adds extra convenience by letting you tilt and drain with one hand. The deep bowl ensures that water is contained, reducing mess and making kitchen cleanup easier. Designed with versatility in mind, it can also be used for soaking produce, rinsing pasta, or even mixing ingredients. Designed for efficiency, this automatic sink glass rinser provides a powerful, high-pressure water stream to thoroughly clean cups, mugs, and glasses in seconds, making it an essential addition for anyone who frequently washes glassware. Its stainless steel construction with a spot-free finish ensures durability and a sleek look, while the included drying mat helps keep countertops dry by absorbing excess moisture efficiently. Ideal for home kitchens, bars, and coffee stations, this rinser makes post-meal cleanup easier and more effective, especially for hard-to-reach spots inside narrow glassware and tall cups. This expandable silverware organizer brings order to kitchen drawers, allowing spoons, forks, knives, and other utensils to be neatly stored and easily accessible without clutter. Made from BPA-free plastic, it offers adjustable compartments to fit different drawer sizes, ensuring a customized and clutter-free organization solution for any kitchen setup while maximizing storage efficiency. The smooth, easy-to-clean surface makes maintenance simple, helping keep kitchen drawers tidy and functional for everyday use. This spice carousel offers a convenient way to store and measure spices with a simple twist, ensuring precise seasoning without the mess. Designed for efficiency, it features an auto-measure function that dispenses a precise amount of seasoning every time, eliminating the need for measuring spoons. The compact rotating design helps maximize storage space while keeping frequently used spices within easy reach, making meal prep faster and more convenient for home cooks and professionals alike. Perfect for organizing seasonings, this pull-down spice rack offers a practical solution for kitchen cabinet and pantry storage, helping keep everything in one place. Designed to hold up to 24 spice bottles, it features adjustable dividers for a customizable fit, allowing users to arrange their spices exactly how they like. The pull-down function allows for easy access to spices, making cooking more efficient. And the included labels help maintain an organized, easy-to-navigate kitchen space without the hassle of searching for ingredients. Built for durability and performance, this cast-iron citrus press extracts maximum juice with minimal effort, making it a must-have for any kitchen. Its heavy-duty construction makes squeezing oranges, lemons, and limes easy, while the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip that reduces strain on the hands. The sturdy stainless steel components resist rust and wear, ensuring long-lasting durability, while the easy-to-clean design simplifies maintenance. Whether used for fresh morning juice, cocktails, or adding citrus flavor to recipes, this squeezer delivers efficiency, reliability, and lasting quality versatility for everyday use. This large wooden pasta drying rack provides ample space for drying fresh homemade noodles, spaghetti, and other pasta varieties, ensuring they don't stick together while drying. The collapsible design allows for easy storage when not in use, making it a convenient addition to any kitchen, especially for those who love making fresh pasta from scratch. Its sturdy wood construction provides durability, while the multiple arms offer plenty of room for hanging pasta evenly, allowing for efficient air drying and consistent texture. Designed for effortless juicing, this electric citrus juicer features a pressure-activated system that extracts juice efficiently from oranges, lemons, and other citrus fruits. The adjustable pulp control lets users customize the amount of pulp in their juice, catering to different preferences while ensuring a smooth and refreshing drink every time. With a dishwasher-safe design for easy cleanup and a compact 32-ounce capacity, this juicer is perfect for daily use, whether for morning citrus refreshment or adding fresh juice to recipes. Perfect for grilling enthusiasts, this set of 2 nesting grill baskets allows for easy cooking of vegetables, shrimp, and other small foods without them falling through the grates. The rolling grilling net design ensures even cooking, while the removable wooden handle provides a secure grip and stays cool to the touch, making outdoor cooking safer and more convenient. Crafted from 304 stainless steel for durability and rust resistance, these baskets are a must-have for backyard barbecues, camping trips, and anyone who enjoys perfectly grilled food with minimal hassle. This sparkling water maker brings convenience and versatility to home kitchens, allowing users to create fizzy, refreshing drinks with the push of a button. Compatible with any screw-in 60-liter CO2 carbonator, it offers an easy and eco-friendly alternative to store-bought sodas, reducing plastic waste while providing customizable carbonation levels. The included 1-liter carbonating bottle is designed for repeated use, making it a great choice for those who enjoy seltzer, flavored sparkling water, or homemade soda without unnecessary additives. A space-saving essential, this clip-on silicone pasta strainer securely attaches to pots and pans, allowing for easy and mess-free draining of noodles, vegetables, and other foods. Its heat-resistant design ensures safe handling, while the flexible silicone material makes it easy to store when not in use, eliminating the need for bulky colanders. Ideal for small kitchens or anyone looking for a quick and efficient way to strain food, this kitchen gadget simplifies meal prep while maintaining durability and ease of use. This rice dispenser offers a sealed, moisture-proof design to keep up to 25 pounds of rice fresh and free from contaminants. Designed for convenience, it features a measuring cup for easy portion control, making it ideal for households that frequently cook rice or other dry grains. The BPA-free construction ensures food safety, while the sleek and compact design allows for efficient storage in kitchen pantries without taking up excess space. Making churros at home has never been easier with this churro maker kit, featuring a booster-powered handle for effortless dough pressing. The set includes a churrera and piping bag, allowing users to shape and fill churros with their favorite creams or sauces. The included QR recipe guide provides step-by-step instructions to create authentic churros, making it a fun and accessible tool for both beginners and experienced bakers looking to enjoy homemade treats. Enjoy the fun of roasting marshmallows indoors with this tabletop electric s'mores maker. Equipped with a flameless heating element, it provides a safe and controlled way to toast marshmallows to golden perfection. The set includes 4 trays for holding graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows, making it perfect for family nights, gatherings, or parties. Compact and easy to use, it brings the nostalgia of campfire s'mores into your kitchen without the mess or hassle of an open flame. Designed for individuals with limited mobility, this adaptive one-handed cutting board features an anti-slip base, bread stops, and spikes to secure food in place while cutting. Ideal for amputees and those with disabilities, it enables single-handed slicing, chopping, and food preparation with ease. Its sturdy construction ensures stability, making cooking safer and more accessible for individuals seeking independence in the kitchen. This microwave popcorn popper offers a healthier and more convenient way to enjoy fresh popcorn without relying on pre-packaged bags. Made from temperature-safe glass, it features a patented 3-in-1 lid that measures kernels, melts butter, and serves as a cover while popping. The BPA-free and dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup simple, while the 3-quart capacity is perfect for making delicious popcorn in minutes for movie nights or snacking. This compact electric skillet offers an 8-inch by 8-inch non-stick cooking surface, making it ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or quick meals without using a full-sized stove. With rapid heat-up capabilities and a tempered glass-vented lid, it provides efficient cooking while allowing you to monitor food as it cooks. The dishwasher-safe design ensures hassle-free cleanup, while the 600-watt power output delivers consistent heating for a variety of dishes. The new Wave Oven Pro Plus combines infrared, conduction, and convection heating to cook food faster and more evenly without the need for defrosting or preheating. Featuring a durable power dome and an intuitive control panel, this air fryer oven offers 100 preset cooking functions and 50 memory slots for custom settings. Designed for versatility, it can cook fresh or frozen meals with ease while remaining PFAS PFAS-free for safer cooking. Designed for effortless jar opening, this twisting jar opener features a comfortable, easy grip handle that reduces hand strain, making it ideal for individuals with arthritis. The adjustable design allows it to accommodate various lid sizes, from small bottles of vanilla extract to large pickle jars. Sharp gripping teeth provide a secure hold, while the included base pad ensures a non-slip surface for added stability, making opening stubborn jars easier than ever. Transform your kitchen with this over-the-sink dish drying rack, designed for sinks ranging from 30 to 33.9 inches wide. This stainless steel rack provides a large capacity solution for drying dishes, utensils, and cookware without taking up valuable counter space. It features dedicated compartments for plates, bowls, and even cutting boards, keeping everything organized while allowing water to drain directly into the sink. Sturdy and rust-resistant, it's built to last and can handle daily use with ease. Whether you have a small kitchen or just want to optimize your workspace, this multifunctional drying rack is a practical and stylish addition. This divided grill pan features 3 sections, allowing you to cook multiple foods at once without mixing flavors, making it perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The durable non-stick surface ensures easy food release and cleanup, while the square shape provides ample cooking space. Designed for use on various stovetops, including induction, it's free from PFOA, PFOS, and APEO, ensuring a healthier cooking experience with even heat distribution. This slim rolling storage cart provides a practical solution for organizing narrow spaces like bathrooms, kitchens, or laundry rooms. With 4 tiers, it offers ample storage without taking up much space. The mobile shelving unit slides easily into tight areas, giving you flexibility to organize essential items while ensuring they stay accessible and neatly arranged. Its sturdy construction makes it a great addition to any home in need of space-saving solutions. These 2 under-shelf basket organizers offer an efficient way to maximize storage in your kitchen or pantry. Adjustable and heavy-duty, the baskets slide in beneath shelves, transforming unused space into convenient storage. Perfect for organizing everything from spices to small kitchen tools or office supplies, these baskets help declutter countertops or maximize cabinet space, providing an easy-to-install and cost-effective storage solution for the home. This soap dispensing dish brush storage set makes dishwashing easier and more efficient. With a simple push of a button, the brush dispenses soap as you scrub, keeping your hands dry and reducing waste. The durable nylon bristles are gentle on non-stick cookware, while the scraper on the back of the brush helps remove baked-on food. For added convenience, the bottom of the brush handle pops off for easy soap refills, ensuring a long-lasting and hassle-free cleaning tool. This robot mop offers a smart, ultra-quiet cleaning solution for your hard floors and tiles. With 3 spinning mop heads and a large water tank, it provides thorough coverage, cleaning large areas with ease. Designed for powerful performance, it ensures your floors are spotless while minimizing noise. With a sleek and modern design, this mop adds a stylish touch to your cleaning routine and offers the added convenience of remote control operation. This baby food making system is compact and efficient for preparing healthy, homemade meals. With a 32-ounce capacity, it includes everything you need to blend, store, and serve meals. The set comes with jars and lids for easy storage, making it simple to batch cook and store your baby's favorite purees. Whether creating nutritious meals or smoothies, this versatile system offers an easy and convenient way to nourish your little one. If you enjoy making homemade treats, this mini donut maker machine is a fun and practical addition to your kitchen. This small but efficient appliance allows you to bake 7 mini donuts at a time, perfect for breakfast, snacks, or dessert. The non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup and prevents sticking, making the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. It heats up quickly, so you can whip up fresh donuts in just a few minutes without needing to preheat an oven. Whether you're making classic flavors or experimenting with healthier recipes, this donut maker is a great way to get creative in the kitchen. This automatic pot stir offers a hands-free cooking experience, allowing you to stir your food with ease while you focus on other tasks. Featuring 2 adjustable speeds and a rechargeable battery, it ensures even stirring with minimal effort. Made from BPA-free materials, it's designed for convenience and safety. The updated battery makes it more efficient, providing a cordless solution for your cooking needs. Whether you're preparing sauces, soups, or stews, this 2-tier turntable is the perfect solution for organizing your kitchen cabinet or pantry. With its height-adjustable feature, it allows for flexible storage, making it easier to access spices, condiments, or small kitchen tools. The Lazy Susan design rotates smoothly, offering convenient access to items at the back of the shelf or cabinet. This organizer helps maximize space while keeping your kitchen neat and accessible. This mini bun toaster brings the classic Coca-Cola style to your kitchen with a fun and functional design. It's perfect for heating hot dogs, sausages, veggie links, chicken, turkey, or brats. With its 2-slot capacity, it makes preparing quick and delicious meals easy. Whether you're hosting a barbecue or enjoying a casual dinner, this nostalgic hot dog toaster provides a convenient and space-saving solution for your cooking needs. And lastly, this dual soap dispenser set is a practical addition to your kitchen sink area. With separate pumps for both hand and dish soap, it helps keep your countertop organized and clutter-free. The built-in sponge holder adds convenience, allowing you to easily access your dishwashing sponge without taking up extra space. This 3-in-1 dispenser combines functionality and style, making it a useful and space-saving gadget for any kitchen. That's it for today's roundup of useful Amazon kitchen gadgets. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these tools are sure to simplify your time in the kitchen. Don't forget to check the description for all the product links and more info. Happy cooking, and be sure to subscribe for more gadget recommendations to elevate your kitchen game.